Hi students, Coach Ferry again. I wanted to make sure that you were set up to be successful using Flipgrid in case you haven't used it yet in your classes. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into our shared doc, our remote learning plan, and you're going to click on the Flipgrid link for your class. So I'm going to go into section 7.1. I'm going to hit Flipgrid here. Then I'm going to log in with Google. So log in using your school account. And then you're going to get here to this page and you'll see your class photo here. I made that just so you can make sure you're in the right place. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to watch my video first. I'm just going to remind you about what you are posting about. And then you're going to click this green button here and you can record your own response. At this point, a camera will pull up and you'll be able to record your response. I went ahead and made the video length allowed as 2 minutes, not 1 minute and 30 seconds, to just give you a little bit of extra time to make sure that you can get your response going. I hope that helps, and I hope you don't have any issues posting your video to Flipgrid. This is the screen that you'll see. And you'll be able to hit this red record button right here. And if you wanted to add an image, if you wanted to take a photo, you can put a photo sticker. That's how I always get the little square image in the corner. You can also add text or stickers to your page. I look forward to seeing your Flipgrids, and let me know if you have any problems.